Hey guys, what up? What up? It's Patty here. So today I filmed this Valentine's Day look for you guys. Um so yeah, it's like a kind of simple Valentine's Day look for your lovers, you know what I'm saying? Before watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you on the other side, I guess. So on to the other side. Hey guys, so I'm starting this look thinking the Maziyah eyeshadow palette from Sugabee Cosmetic, and the first shade that I actually dipped into is called Pink Pearls. And yeah, it was actually like on the camera I know it looks funny, but in the pan it was like purpley, but the way it came out on my skin was different. So just taking note that like that color came different on my brush. The second color that I took from the same eyeshadow palette is called Gala. So that I just placed it in the crease just to make it, just to darken it a little bit, because I wanted the crease to be a little bit darker, you know. For the lid color, I used the shade right next to it from the same palette again, and this shade is called House Party. Honestly, overall, I would say I love that palette. To be honest, I really love the palette. I think that it's a good investment for anybody that likes, because there's a combo of everything in the palette. There's some matte, some shimmers, and some glitters. So that's what I love about that palette. And also I feel like the eyeshadows are really good quality, so I would suggest you, if you want to invest in that eyeshadow palette, because I definitely would buy it again. For primer, I went in with I switched it up a bit with my primer. I used my Becca, I think it's called the Ever Matte primer, but don't quote me on that. It will be listed down below in the description box. And as per usual, I set my primer with my Fenty Beauty translucent powder. This is a holy grail, you know. Every oily person really needs that, to be honest. For my foundation, I use the usual. I mix my Dior foundation in 5N with my LA Pro concealer in medium beige. So I just mix those two shades together and made it into my foundation, I guess. For my concealer, I'm using this Smashbox concealer. I'm forgetting the name right now, but I think it's like actually, wait, do I have the name? I think I do have the name. It won't be long, it won't be long. Just enjoy me putting my concealer in the meantime. So it's the Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer, and it's in light, medium, warm, golden. So that is the concealer that I am applying right now. I'm applying that in all of the places that I normally apply my concealer. Some people might do it differently, but that's how I do it. And then I setted my concealer with the usual Huda Beauty in the shade Blondie. Nothing new, just the usual. So I use my Amrezy times ABH highlighter, and I highlighted like all the places that I normally highlight. And also for my lips, I first went in with my True Brown K lip liner. It's a holy grail. Yeah, I actually really like that liner. I don't know if I would rebuy it because I feel like you can get a cheaper option at like ColourPop, but yeah. And then I use also my liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics, sorry. And this is in the shade Leo. So yeah, because it's Valentine's Day, you know, the whole look goes together. Red hair, red lips. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Comment down below in the description box how your date went. Comment down below if you find this look helpful, if you love this look, if you are going to recreate this look for Valentine's Day. Who knows? Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Anywho, have a blessed day. Have a blessed Valentine's Day. And even though you don't have a date, just know that you're still loved, okay? So bye. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.